implement. Example 2, insert a record into EMP table in ASP.NET MVC by using link concept. By using link concept. By using what? Link concept. Okay. So inserting. So for this again, right? Okay. Again same story. Creating the application. Step 1. Already example is available. Same example we'll use. Step 2. Adding database. DB already done. Step 3. Adding OR tool. OR tool. Step 4. Step 4. Adding EMP table. That is also over. Next, step 5. Adding model. Adding model. We'll use the same example. We have to write the model code. We have to write the model code. Go back to model. In case of model, we have to write the code for what operation, guys? We have to write the code for what operation? Hello? What is the requirement?
Insert.
Requirement insert. Okay, now, so we require to declare first 3 properties. We require to declare first 3 properties. 3 properties. ENO, let us assume ENO, ename, ESAL. Then after this, we have to create object, and that object is created, and we have to create object for employee class. We already created object for link class. Next, creating object for table, obj emp equal to new emp. Obj emp equal to new emp. Right. Then after this, right, we need to write the code for insert operation. Here we are defining one method, that is insert into EMP. Insert into EMP. Method name is insert into EMP. Insert into EMP. Right. Insert into EMP. obj emp and dot emp envo, and here property is envo. obj emp dot obj emp dot emp name equal to ename. obj emp dot, hello, right, how many properties, how many columns? obj emp dot emp name equal to ename. Next, obj emp dot salary equal to esal. Hello, clear? Right, here the point is, what are these 3 lines code? Assigning the properties to the table columns. After this, are you clear about these 3 lines, all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
3 lines. These three are what properties? These three are what column names? And after this, link, link object, link object. What is the link object? Obj link, obj link dot emps dot insert and submit. Then obj emp and obj dot link dot submit changes return one. And here, okay, why here you and return one. Okay, so what is the method you are using to perform insert operation? Last example in ASP.NET also we used same example. Insert on,
Yes, sir.
insert on, submit. Okay, if record is inserted, you are returning what? One. If it is any error while at the time of insertion, you are returning what? You are
Zero.
returning what? Zero. Means insert into EMP method may return either one or
Zero.
zero. Why it is giving error? Yeah. Okay. Simple thing. Here you better to go with the decimal. Typecasting error you are getting. Decimal. Okay. Now, right. Right. This is the model code. This is the model code. I am copy and paste the model code to you guys. Model code to you guys. Right. Right. Just check it. Right. Guys, try to you guys implement model code. Hello, model code. Try to implement model code. Model code. Hello, done now? See, whenever there is a noise, you can mute now. Why you are when the session is disturbing? You can mute yourself, right? Right. Okay. Yeah. Model code over implemented by all. Next, we have to write the controller code. Next step is step 6. Controller code. Controller code. We have to add the controller. We have to add the controller. Right click, add controller. EMP controller, click which button? Add. So already we have controller. So same controller, within the same controller, we will write the code. Importing, and after this we have to write the method for insert operation within the controller. Okay, so what is this? We'll go for insert. Okay. So whenever you click insert button, we want to perform insert operation. Perform insert operation. Already we have one action. We have one action method. Okay, right. With the same name, we will write one more action method. We'll write one more action method. Let's say the method name is also index. Same action method and HTTP post. And here creating object for employee model removed. Here we are creating object for model. If the text boxes are empty, then return view. TXT EID, TXT ename, TXT ECell, TXT ECell, TXT ECell, return view. TXT ECell equal to empty, return view. Else EID, instead of that property name is ENO, ename ECell. Now here we are assigning the text boxes values to the properties. Here we are assigning the text box values to the properties. Right. Next to view back dot I, right, obj emp dot insert into, right, insert into emp method. Right, same story. Okay, so if the text boxes are not empty, go to else part. In else part, first we are setting the text box values to the properties, and obj emp dot insert into emp and view back dot I. So it make insert into emp method will perform what operation in the model? Hello, what operation it is? It's going to be perform what operation? Insert operation, and it may return what? Either 1 or 0. That either 1 or 0 will be stored into viewback.I. 1 means record is inserted, 0 means record is not inserted. This is your model code. This is your model code. Right. This is your model code. Model code. Right. Right. Write the code. Come on. Model code. Clear all of you? Hello? 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 Yeah. Done. Model code. Did you receive model code, all of you? Hello? Received model code.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Now, next we have to implement the view. Implementing view. Implementing view. Yes. Coming to view. Right. Hello. Coming to the view. View code. In view, first we will write the razor code. Razor code are nothing but what? Validations. Razor code is nothing but validations. Go to view, razor, razor. EID, MSG, right. Okay. So TXT, EID, text box is empty, and this is this dot is post. Yeah. Else if else viewback.I record is inserted, record is not inserted. Guys, razor code is, I hope you are clear about razor code. I will copy and paste the razor code to you. Razor code is normal, same code, whatever we will do every day. Razor. Come on. See the razor code, all of you. Right. Next, we have to go for view code. View. Come back to view code. Only in model, here one thing you observed, compare with previous examples and this example. Previous examples means by using ADO.NET we perform same functionality, and again we are performing here. What is the difference? Hello? What is the difference between ADO.NET and link means? Where you are updating the code for every example. You are updating for every example, you can observe whether you are using ADO.NET, link or entity framework. Code modification is only at the time of using at the time of implementing model. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Only model code is updating, nothing else. Controller code, view code, everything will be
Same.
everything will be same. So the code modifying only in which component? Model component. In case of ADO.NET, we are written lengthy of code, but in case of link, we are writing 2 lines code. In case of controller, we are using entity framework code, right? Okay, now hello guys. Okay, now yes. Now compilation. So shall I send you this code? Yeah. Yeah, everybody received the complete code, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir. Received.
Yeah, just modify the code in your application. Right. Hello. Right. Over. Right. Compilation and right. Did you run the application, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it executing?
Processing, sir.
Right.
Working, sir.
Working. Right. You can observe. Go back to database. Right. 3 records are there already. Right. 444. Ramesh 4000. Record is showing exception. Yeah. Right. For you guys, is it working? Yeah. There was a small mistake here. Yeah. Yeah. That text box ID. I was given a misspelled. Okay. Right. Yeah. For how many people it is working? Sharada working?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Record is inserted. Now go back to the database. Right. So